Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika. Do I have to spell it again? Ritika Singh Chauhan. Welcome back. And today's video is going to be very interesting. It is going to be about today's video is going to be very random. It is about top 10 things every girl should have or must have in their life. These are the top 10 random things that I think every girl should have or must have in their life. These top 10 picks are not something very special. They are very random and very normal stuff. So I'm gonna start off with the hair and skin section. So yeah, let's begin. We move on. I hope and I will be very happy if you guys subscribe. That will mean a world to me, the world to me, and that will be so great. So yeah, subscribe. So first thing first, I have this BBlunt dry shampoo. It's the BBlunt Back to Life dry shampoo for instant freshness. Okay, so why dry shampoo? Because I think dry shampoos are very important, and because you are not going to wash your hair honestly on a daily basis, which is obviously bad for your hair too. Dry shampoo is actually very on the go kind of a stuff. Whenever your hair is a bit greasy or a bit like just bad, the bad hair day. So you just have to spray the shampoo directly to your hair or your scalp, and just let the shampoo sit there for a while and just dust it off. Just shake your hair and just sorry for that. Then your hair is normal, non-greasy and good to go. So the second thing I have is this Pantene Pro Open Hair Miracle. With this is an oil replacement, and the best part about this product is that it is multitasking, and it is an oil replacement. First thing first, it is an oil replacement. Then second thing, it does the job of serum also, conditioner also, and heat protectant. I have never used it as a conditioner, to be honest, but as an oil replacement, yes. As in serum, yes, of course, and as a heat protectant, yes. So this product actually works very good, actually locks up your hair for a good amount of time, and it works great. And the best thing about this is it's multitasking, so you can honestly use this for oil replacement, serum and heat protectant. I don't know about the conditioner, but I guess they have written here, so it is going to work for that also. And it costs for like something like 190 rupees for 180 ml, which is a very good price. I highly recommend that you go for this product. So the third thing is from the skins. Oh god. So the third thing I have is this from the skincare section, and this is the Nivea whitening smooth skin not deodorant. It says deodorant, but it's an roll-on. And this is how the roll-on looks. So why this one? So why this one? Because I know some of you ladies have dark patch under your arms, your underarm dark patches. So it is going to cover that up, and if you use this on a regular basis, it is eventually going to going to make your underarm go back to normal. And it costs for like it's for 50 ml, and it costs for 185 rupees. Okay, 50 ml for 185 rupees. Okay, so I don't use this on a regular basis, but it actually helped me with my dark patch. It was not a dark patch. My underarms have gone a little shade darker than they my usual skin tone. So surely lighten that color, and it's back to normal now. And honestly, it's a very slow process. You have to be very regular with this to for the visible results. And yeah, this is the third product. So this dry shampoo was for rupees 550, and of course I bought it in the sale, so yeah, look for the sale. So it was for like 125 ml and 75 grams. So yeah. Okay, now again for this from the skincare, I have this Clinique anti-blemish solution, which is a very beautiful solution or formula. I don't know what they have put in this bottle. It's just magic for me. It's for acne. Honestly, it's for acne. What it does that is it actually dry downs your zit. You just have to take a pea-size amount of this solution and just put it on your zit, and it is going to dry down your zit in like 2 days or maximum 3 days, but it is the zit is going to be completely gone. And even if you have like the zit mark or something like that, so you just have to apply again the pea size amount of this there, and it's going to clean that terrible mark also. I prefer this over the spot patches is because they are expensive and you just have to put it and you just have to throw it, so it is expensive. And I don't, I don't like, putting that much money on a patch. They surely work, but they are expensive. So this one, this does the same job and it is going to last you forever. So yeah, let me tell you, this is for 12 amp and this is costly. I will list down the price. I don't know the price right now, but this is costly. But it is going to not dry down, it is going to last you for a very long time. So yeah, now in the makeup category I have 3 products for you and I'm gonna show them one by one, of course. So the first is this Dear Darling tint by Etude House and it's in the shade, I don't know, I will mention on the screen. But this is how it looks. So it's a very dark kind of a shade, dark red kind of a shade. I think it's in the shade RD308. Why in India people don't talk about tints, but I think tints are very important and they are very beautiful and very natural looking. So I included this in this video is because it's also multitasking. So I use this on a regular basis. I just take a pea size amount on the back of my hand because it's very dark and it's very intense. So I just take a pea size amount and I just dip my brush and I just put it all over my lips. So it is going to give you a very 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 natural pink, baby pink kind of a lips, which is going to look pretty. And you don't the days when you don't like wearing makeup on a daily basis. I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. I usually don't wear makeup, even I don't even wear makeup that often. So and this one is very intense and this goes nowhere even until you are eating something oily. You're gonna look cute on that no makeup day. Plus I use this tint as my blush also. I just again dip my I just take on the back of my hand and take on any of my fingers and just press it all over my cheeks, and it gives me such a beautiful pinky cheeks, which looks very beautiful, very babyish. And I just don't wear makeup often, so I just like put this on my lips as well as on my cheeks and I'm good to go. So the second thing I have in the makeup category is very important for the makeup artists or the YouTubers or the the girls who wear eye makeup on a regular basis, or in general makeup on a regular basis very that often. So this is the PAC Express brush cleaner, brush cleaner. I always rotate between blush and brush. So yeah, it's the PAC Express brush cleaner and this is how it looks. So what it does is that if you have those lazy days where you don't have the guts or you don't have the power to clean your makeup brushes, so you haven't cleaned your brushes in ages, so you just have to take your dirty brush and just swirl it here, and yeah, your brush is good and clean again. So the pigment is off. This cleanser actually takes the pigment off, and yeah, this is very important. It's very convenient, very useful, takes a little burden off from your shoulder. The third thing in this category is this oil absorbing sheets from Miniso. We call it blotting papers. Everyone calls it blotting papers, and this is how it looks. And they are very cheap. And in one pack you get 120 sheets, and you get 2 packs. It's a set of 2 packs for 190 rupees. Yes, it's a set of 2 packs for 190 rupees, and in one pack you get 120 sheets. So first thing first, what are blotting sheets or what are blotting papers? Blotting sheets or blotting papers are actually the oil absorbing papers. And why they are important? Because when you go with a full face of makeup and you step out of the house, and eventually your face starts to produce oil from a certain area. Like my face usually starts to produce oil in this area, and when you start to like dab your normal tissue paper on to get oily, is that it actually takes off your makeup too. So what blotting paper does is that you just have to take one sheet, you just have to dab on your specific area, and it actually takes off all the oil. which is a good thing without removing your makeup. So this is what blotting paper do, and this is why blotting papers are important, I guess. And I think everyone should have at least one pack of blotting paper in their bag. So yeah, that's all. So our makeup section is done now. The most, I don't think so that you guys have even imagined that I'm gonna include these three things in my haul, and they are very 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 random. So yeah, my second two things are the appelators. Was this appellator? It's an body appellator. This is from Philips, and I don't know the price of this because I don't remember. I bought it like 2 or 3 years ago. So yeah, it's actually still working. So appelators are for those days when you don't have the time to wax or go to the parlor. So what these appellator actually does is that they remove the hair from the root. The same job as the waxing, but waxing actually removes some kind of dirt also, but I don't know about waxing because I have never waxed in my life, because I don't have an hair on like body hair problem. I don't have so that. I have those teeny tiny hairs which are barely visible to anyone, but I still like my body to be flawless, so I use these appelators because waxing is not for me because I don't have hair problem. So there's actually nothing to wax. It is good for anyone and every girl out there because it is very on the go when you have to go and you just want that flawless skin. So you just have to plug this, and just start this and just remove your hair. If you have some teeny tiny hair and you just want that flawless skin and you don't have the time to go to the parlor, it saves the day and you have the flawless skin too. So that appellator is from Philips, and I guess it costs for like 2999, 3000 rupees. I don't know exactly, but I'm gonna find it and leave down the name and price of it. Second appellator I have is this from Veet. It's actually called the Bikini appellator, and I love this appellator. I actually use this appellator for my face and sometimes to remove some hair from hand also. But it's an face and bikini appellator, and it comes with an eyebrow detachment also. I use this for my eyebrow also sometimes, and it's an face appellator, so you can use it here also. So this actually have two heads. I have one head in my room, and this is not my room, so I'm just filming here. So this is not my room, but it has two heads, and you just have to to twist it, and you just have to attach the second head according to your convenience. So it is also very useful, very on the go kind of product. And it also saves your day, the days when you are lazy, the days you have to look good and presentable, the days when you have to look flawless and move out of the house. So yeah, I have this in the waterproof variant. It actually have two variants, the waterproof one and the non-waterproof one. I have the waterproof one because I don't know, I just bought the waterproof one because it's more safe than the normal one, because अगर पानी गिरता है इसमें तो it is not going to be like destroyed. Okay, so the last thing of this random topic is very surprising to you guys. I know you were not expecting this at all, but I really want you guys to buy this, and it's a must have. Leave everything, but please it's a request to you all, please buy this. It's for your own sake, it's for your own good. And it's a pepper spray. I don't know why nobody talks about it, but I think pepper sprays are very very important in in the situation we are living in right now. So I think pepper spray is very 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 important, and it's actually a must have. You have to buy this. You have to have at least one pepper spray in your bag and one pepper spray with you, because it's so unsafe out there, and I really want you guys to maintain your own safety, because you really can't depend on anyone. And pepper spray it's just a must have. And it's not about the place we are living in and the country we are living in, it's about like every girl out there in any country should have at least pepper spray with her, because आपकी सुरक्षा आपके हाथ में है. So I have this pepper spray. I got this from Amazon, the pack of 3. So I have one with me always, and the one in my bag, and the one in my home, because it's not like that I have gone through something, but it's like it's a must have. You should have this. Leave everything, you just go and buy this. I got this from Amazon. It's the newish pepper spray Red Cop, and yeah. Actually, it's powerful spray that reaches up to 15 feet, which is impressive. This spray reaches up to 15 feet, and one hand protection, causes no permanent injuries, non-toxic, non-flammable, and contains up to 50 blast. So just go and buy this. I really want you guys to buy this. It's very important, and it's a must have, it's a need these days right now. I don't know why nobody talks about it, but I really want you to be aware that pepper sprays are available in India too, and every girl should at least have one pepper spray with her. Always carry pepper spray with her, no matter if you are with your brother, your father, your sister, your family, or with anyone. Just carry your pepper spray. It's just make your pepper spray your soul. Just have your pepper spray every time. I always carry my pepper spray. It's just me. So this brings us to the end of the haul. These are the top 10 my top 10 picks, top 10 random stuff picks, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked, and I hope this video is useful to you. And share if you liked, and subscribe. Please subscribe. It will mean the world to me. And please share. And yeah, see you guys next time.